Dear kids, welcome to our online classes. So for today's class, we will go through EFT book. Uh, there, there were a lot of classes from Active English workbook. So I thought now it's time for go with the EFT book. So before starting the class, I would like to ask you to have your own to have your own EFT book with you, and please go through a new unit. And this is unit 27, lesson 1 to 3. Okay, in this unit we will learn about a simple introduction and introduction of whom it is Anita Sarkar. That means the central character of today's lesson is Anita or Unita Sarkar. Okay, so I hope you all have your books at your hand, and please have your pencil or pen also, so that when we go through this story or this lesson, you can just note it down, or you can just highlight the important words. Okay, so this passage is about Miss Onita Sarkar. She is basically a teacher. Okay, later on we will know about her in details, but basically it is so why the passage is here in your book. It's just to make you understand about that how an introduction can be, how it is supposed to be. Okay, when you are introducing yourself, or when you are giving an introduction on someone else, how you will proceed with it. Okay, so this is the actually main thing of this passage or of this lesson. So without wasting more words further, so let us go through the passage first. Okay, so have a look on the board. So it's unit 27, lesson number 1 to 3. So Anita's life. মিসের কাছে যেহেতু বইটি নেই সরাসরি, সো মিস জাস্ট রোট ডাউন দ্য প্যাসেজ অর দ্য স্টোরি অন দ্য বোর্ড, but you have to follow your own EFT book. Okay, so have your EFT book and go through the page line by line. So in number A, the number A indicates read the story. Okay, the instruction is read the story, so you have to read the story. So this is Anita Sarkar. So here the story is about a woman, and this woman is called Anita Sarkar. Her name is Anita Sarkar. She gets up early in the morning. She gets up when? So as she is a woman, and of course maybe she is a working lady, so she has to get up early in the morning. There's no options left for her, so she cooks breakfast for her family. So as a housewife, what our mothers do, our mothers wake up early in the morning and make us ready for our school or colleges, or for our working place, and then she cooks breakfast for us, she feeds us, then she washes the clothes, and she makes the home clean and neat and clear. So that's all what our mothers do. So similarly Anita Sarkar is also a mother. She is also she's also a working lady, and she is of course most importantly she is a woman. So that's why it's her duty, and it's in her daily routine. Then she has to get up early in the morning, she cooks breakfast for her family. And the number B is about read and say. So number B is read and say. After breakfast Anita goes to school. After the breakfast she goes to school. Basically Anita is not here a student. Okay, so why is she going to school if she is not a student? Or are the only students go to the school? Do the only students go to the school? Doesn't a teacher go to the school? Of course. So as a school is a place for both the students and the teachers. So not only we the students go to the school, but also the teachers also go to the school. That's why it's a interrelated relationship between the students and teacher. Without the teacher you can never be a student. Without the student, we the teachers can never be the teachers. Okay, so without you we are incomplete. Without us you are similarly incomplete. Okay, so together both of us we make the environment in a truly school environment. Okay, so that's why after the breakfast, when she say from the number A quote basically indicates about what does she do at the very beginning of a day. What is she? That's the introduction of her life. But at number B, we see that after I mean, how, about her working place. So two different passages describe two different things. So after the breakfast, Anita goes to where? Anita goes to school. So here basically Anita is not a student, rather she is a teacher. Okay. So the teacher is here Anita. After breakfast Anita goes to school. She is a teacher. See, she is a teacher means earlier what makes sense that she is a teacher. So basically she teaches in school. So she teaches class 1 and class 2. So she is the teacher of class 1 and class 2. Okay. So see, so once again let us go through the whole passage. That this is Anita Sarkar. That means the central character of this passage, or the main woman, or the main character of this passage is a woman, and she is Anita Sarkar. That means her name is Anita Sarkar. In a word, the whole story is about a woman, a working lady, and the woman is Anita Sarkar. So she gets up early in the morning. So I would like to tell you to hold your pen and please go through the words that Miss is giving you the instruction. Please underline the word gets up. What does it mean? Gets up mean wake up, to wake up. Okay. Then underline early. Early means quickly. Okay. Quickly in the morning. Basically when we get up very quickly in the morning, then we term is we consider it as early. Okay. The term becomes early in the morning. Okay. So then she cooks. Now the third one is cooks. Cooks means to prepare. Okay. Cooks breakfast means to preparing the breakfast. Then for her family, we all know what family is. Family means basically in the modern world we can say it's an organization that basically it's a place where we all the members of the same root we live under the same roof. Okay. So it is called family. It includes you, me, I mean it includes yourself, your mom, dad, your siblings, and if you have any your grandparents with you, then included them also. So number A is talking about Miss Anita or Mrs. Anita Sarkar. She is a teacher. She gets up early in the morning. So here the four main important words are gets up, early, cooks, family. Gets up means to wake up, early means to quickly, cook means to prepare, family means where we live together. Okay. With our near and dear ones. So and one more important word is story. Its story means the description of something. Okay. It is called story. So so now coming to the number B. See, in number B it's read and say. Read and say. So now number B will talk about Anita Sarkar's working place. That what does she do after her household chores. Okay. So after breakfast, here another one important word is breakfast. Breakfast means the meal that we take early in the morning, or the morning feast is breakfast. Okay. That means the morning feast is breakfast. Then Anita goes to school. School means we all know what school is. School is our an institution where we are taught, and you are taught by us. Okay. Where we learn new things. Then she is a teacher. Teacher means educator. So you can also underline this word teacher. We know that teacher means who educates us, who teaches us. So teacher means educator or instructor. Okay. So she teaches class 1. Teaches means to give the lessons or to instruct you. Teaches means to instruct or to guide or to make understand. Then she teaches class 1 and class 2 basically. So from this passage we can say sense that after the breakfast, after doing or completing all the household activities, Anita Sarkar gets ready for her working place. And where does she work? She works in a school. So if she works in a school, so logically she is a teacher, because a teacher works in a school. No, not only the teachers, along with teachers there are so many people who work together in a school, but here actually as Anita Sarkar's main duty is to teaching, so she is a teacher here. So she goes to a school, then she is a teacher, she teaches class 1. So her responsibility, I mean her classes are basically with whom? With class 1 and class 2. Okay. Once again, please go through the main important some of the keywords, like gets up early, morning. You can also underline morning. Morning means the very first portion of a day. That means what should we say? Dawn. Basically dawn and morning, there's a slight there's a little bit difference between morning and dawn, because dawn means way too much early, it's after, just after the sunrise. So morning starts from 6 a.m. So dawn is just before the 6 a.m. So there's a little bit difference, though sometimes it's not considered to be different, but sometimes it really matters. Then cooks means prepare. I earlier told you. Then family where we live together under the same roof with our near and dear members, or near and dear ones, like our parents, our siblings, our grandparents, our uncle aunt, if we have any. Then so after the breakfast, so breakfast means the early morning feast. Okay, so Anita goes to the school, she is a teacher, she teaches class 1 and class 2. So that's all for today's story. So when you will be asked that who is Anita Sarkar, so Anita Sarkar is the main character of this story. What does she do? She is a teacher, okay, or she teaches English. Whom does she teach? তিনি কাদের পড়ান? She teaches class 1 and class 2. Okay, so after the breakfast, where does she go? তিনি কোথায় যান ব্রেকফাস্টের পর? After the breakfast she goes to school. So then what does she do in the morning? She cooks breakfast for her family. When does she wake up or she get up? She gets up early in the morning. Okay, so I think this is just an introduction about Anita Sarkar. This is how we will give any introduction about someone. Basically when you will give introduction, then you have to mention your name first, then what do you do, then what is basically your activity, and how many members are there in family. These are the main thing to be described. Okay, so যে প্যাসেজটি ছিল তার আন্ডারে কিছু কোশ্চেন দেওয়া আছে নিচে, আমরা সেগুলো আমাদের নেক্সট ক্লাসে অবশ্যই আলোচনা করব। তবে বেসিক্যালি হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ক্লাস ইজ অ্যাবাউট অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইন্ট্রোডাকশন, আই মিন ইন্ট্রোডাকশন ইয়োরসেলফ। যদিও এখানে অনিতা সরকারকে দেখানো হয়েছে। সো ওয়ান মোর থিং ইজ দ্যাট when you are giving any introduction about yourself, about suppose I'm giving introduction of myself, what should I do? At first you have to, no matter whom introduction is this, you have to mention the name first. তুমি যার সম্পর্কে ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দাও না কেন, কিংবা আমি যদি নিজের সম্পর্কেও ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দিই, সবার আগে আমাকে বলতে হবে নিজের নাম কি, অথবা আমি যার সম্পর্কে ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দিচ্ছি অথবা যাকে আমি ইন্ট্রোডিউস করাচ্ছি তার নাম কি। দেন হোয়াট ডাজ হি অর হি ডু, অর হোয়াট ডু আই ডু। ইফ ইট ইজ অ্যাবাউট মাইসেলফ, দেন আমি কি করি সেটি উল্লেখ করতে হবে। যদি আমি অন্য কারো সম্পর্কে বলি তাহলে তার নামের পর তিনি কি করেন সেটা আমাকে উল্লেখ করতে হবে। Then some little bit some more important things about her or him or yourself, যে তার শখ কি হতে পারে, তার হবি, তার পেশা কি, তিনি কি করেন, তিনি কটা বাজে ঘুম থেকে উঠেন, তার প্রিয় বই কি, তার প্রিয় রং কি, এগুলো আমরা অ্যাড করতে পারি। ঠিক আছে, যখন আমরা কোনো মানুষ সম্পর্কে কোনো ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দেব। তবে সবচেয়ে বেশি যেটা মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং ইজ দ্যাট টু মেনশন দ্য নেম, then the workplace, then activities, then the profession, and sometimes hobby. Okay, so in this way we can make a introduction of a successful, a very lucrative introduction about your own self or about the others. Okay, so basically এই চ্যাপ্টারটা ছিল ইন্ট্রোডাকশনের উপরেই। তোমরা প্যাসেজটি দেখে আশা করি সেটা বুঝতে পারছো। তো তার এর নিচে যে কোশ্চেনগুলো দেওয়া আছে সেগুলো আমরা আমাদের নেক্সট ক্লাসে আলোচনা করব। সো লেট আস leave it for the next class. So we will meet very soon with the new questions under, I mean, concerned this passage. Okay, so till then, stay well and take care.